All of you wrote yesterday homework? I hope all will be good. Okay children, today we are going to learn lesson 4. What is the lesson 4? Highest common factor and least common multiple. In today's topic, least common multiple. What is the least common multiple? LCM. Okay children, there are different methods to find the LCM of 2 or more numbers. There are different methods to find the LCM of 2 or more numbers. What are that? By listing the multiples and by prime factorization method and by division method. What are they? By listing the multiples, by prime factorization method, by division method. Find the LCM by listing the multiples. Find the LCM by listing the multiples. For example, find the LCM of 12, 16 and 24. Okay children. Multiple of 15, multiple of 12, multiples of 12. You have to write here 12 table. What are they? 12 multiples of 12. What are they? 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108. Okay children, 108 and 120. Okay children, 120. Next, multiple of 16, 32, 48, 64, 80, 96, 112, 128 and 144. Then multiples of 24. Multiple of 24. You have to write here 24 multiples. 24, 48, 72, 96 and 120. Okay children. Now, first of all, multiples of 12. What are the multiples of 12? 12, 24, 36, 48, 60, 72, 84, 96, 108 and 120. Next, multiples of 16. 16, 32, 48, 64, 80, 96, 112, 128 and 144. Then multiples of 24. 24, 48, 72, 96, 120. Now you can find out common multiple. Common multiples. What are the common? Check it. These 3 in having common number. Now, what are the common 3 in having number? What is these 3 multiples? 12 in 60, 12, 16 in 24 in having common number. What are these? Look here. Okay, 48, 48, 48. Now, then check it. What is that? Okay, 96, 96, 96, 96. Okay, children, you have to write common multiples. 48, 96. 48, 96. These into which one is smaller? That is a LCM. Which one is greater? That is a SCM. Now here what? Therefore, LCM equal this 2 into which one is smaller? 48. 48 is a LCM of 12, 16 and 24. Listen, look here all of you children. Look at the board. First we have to find out 12 multiples. Now what are the 12? Do you know 12 table? You have to write here. Next, write here 16 table and write here 24 table. Okay children. Now find out common multiple. Now this common, what are the common? These 3 numbers have same the number. Okay. What are the same? 48, 96. This into which one is LCM? This 2 into which one is small? That small number, that only LCM here. Note this one. Okay children. Second method. What is the second method? LCM of by prime factorization method. By prime factorization method. Example, find the LCM of 8 and 21. 8 and 21. First of all, you have to find out 8 prime factorization. What is the 8 prime factorization? 2 4s are 2 2s are. Now, 2 into 2 into 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2. Then find out 21 prime factorization. Factors, prime factors. What are the 21 prime factors? 2 plus 1, 3. This 21 is divide 21 by 3. 3 sevens are 21. Next 7 ones are 7. You have to write here 3 into 7 into 1. Now look here, all of you, look at the board. Observe this problem. 8 and 21 do not have any common factor. Do not have any common factors other than 1. Other than 1. Is it correct? Yeah. Now, hence they are co-prime numbers. Now, what is that? Look here. 8 and 21 do not have any common factors other than 1. Other than 1. Hence, they are which numbers? Which number, children? Co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. Co-prime numbers. Therefore, LCM is equal to product of the numbers. Product of the numbers. Now equal 8 into 21 equal 21 8 168. 168. 168. 8 and 21 do not have any common factors other than 1. Hence they are co-prime numbers. LCM, product of the numbers, equal 8 into 21 equal 168. Note this one. Okay, children. If two numbers are co-prime, then their LCM is equal to their product. Then their LCM is equal to their product. Note this point. And example second. Find the LCM of 12 and 36. First of all, find out 12's prime factors. Now, 2 6s are 2 3s are. Now, what is it? 2 into 2 into 3 into 1. 3 1s are 3. Okay, children. Next, to find out 36 prime factors. What are they? 2 1s are 2 8s are. 2 9s are 18. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are. What is that? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 1. 3 into 1. Now here see. What is this? How many? In this 12's prime factorization. In how many 2's are there? 2 to the power of 2 into 3 power 1. Okay, children. 3 power 1. 3 power 1. 2 to the power of 2. 3 power 1. And in this 2 to the power of 2 into 3 to the power of 2. 3 to the power of 2. Now, therefore, LCM equal product of the highest power of all factors. Product of the highest power of all factors. Now, product of the highest power of all factors. All factors. Now, what is that? These two into which one is highest? 2 to the power of 2, 3 to the power of 2. We have to find out 2 to the 4 into 3 3 is 9. What is that? 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 2 is 4. 3 3 is 9. 4 9 is 36. 4 nines are 36. Note this one. Okay, children. Of the two numbers, if one is a multiple of the other, their LCM is equal to the multiple. Equal to the multiple. Keep this point in your mind and write this point in your fair note. And division. Next method is division method. Find the LCM of 12, 15 and 16. Now, 12, 15 and 16. This is a division method. 12, 15 and 16 do not have any common factors. Is it correct? 12, 15 and 16 do not have any common factors. But 12, 15 have 3 has common factor. But 12, 15 have 3 has common factors. And 12, 16 have 2 has a common factor. 2 has a common factor. Now divide the number by 2 or 3. 2 or 3. But I am taking here 2. 2 and 16. Divide 2 and 16 by 2. Now 2 6 are 12. You have to write 15 like that one. Next 2 8 are 16. 2 8 are 16. Next here 6, 15, 8 do not have any common factor. But 6, 8 have 2 has a common factor. 2 has a common factor. I am dividing the number by 2. 2 3s are 6. But you have to write 15. 15 cannot be divided by 2. So taken it down. Next to 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. Now here 3, 15, 4 do not have any common factor. But here 3, 15 have 3 has a common factor. Okay, children. 3 1s are 3 5s are. But 4 cannot be divided by 3. So taken it down. Okay, children. Now 1, 5, 4 have no common factor. These numbers are which numbers? Co-prime numbers. Hence stop the division. Now here you can stop the division. Now LCM equal product of all divisors. Product of all divisors into product of all which number? Co-prime quotients. Now you can do 2 into 2 into 3 into 1 into 5 into 4. What is the answer? 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 5s are 60. 60 4s are 240. 240. Okay, children. Is it clear? Okay. I will teach one more time. First, divide. First of all, check it. 12, 15, 16 do not have any one common factor. But 12, 16 have 2 has a common factor. And 12, 15 have 3 has a common factor. Okay, children. On doing the number by divide any two numbers 2 or 3, but I am doing the division by 2. Now 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16. Then 6, 15, 8 do not have any common factor, but here 6, 8 have 2 has a common factor. You have to do division. 2 3s are, take down 15 like that only. Next 2 4s are 8. Then 3 comma 15 comma 4 do not have any common factor, but 3 comma 15 have 3 as a common factor. You have to do dividing by 3. 3 ones are, 3 5s are, but you have to take 4 like that only. Next 1 comma 5 comma 4 has a which numbers? Co-prime numbers. Now you can stop the division. Then you have to find out product. You have to do this L shape in having numbers multiplication. We will get answer. 240 is a answer. Note this one. Okay children, today homework complete you by fair note. All of you children please concentrate. Maths, and you have to complete your fair notes. This chapter is very hard for you. Please, you can practice these ones. Okay children? Thank you.